I'm James. I wear a smart uniform at work. I go to the airport and prepare the plane for the passengers. Then I meet the passengers. I give them drinks and food. I talk to them. I love my job because I can visit different countries.
I'm Anna. I work in a school. There are 35 children in my class, and they are all 7 or 8 years old. They are funny and friendly, but they are often naughty too. Classes finish at 3 o'clock, but I always have time to prepare classes and check the children's work in the evenings.
I work in a big hotel. I prepare foods for the guests. I also have to order food and put it in the correct cupboard, fridge, or freezer. All the food must be safe, and the kitchen must be clean. I like my work because I'm always busy. But one day, I'd like to have my own restaurant. Then I can make new, exciting meals.
I wear a uniform at work, a t-shirt and black trousers. It's not very smart, but it's comfortable. I am on my feet all day in the store. I have to help customers, work at the cash desk, and get sneakers from the room upstairs. And I have to tidy up because there are often balls and clothes on the floor of the store. My work isn't very interesting. I hope to get a different job soon.
I sometimes work in the day and sometimes at night. I work with children here at the hospital. I give them their medicine and check that they are okay. Some of the children are very sick, and that's really sad. I play with the children and talk to their families. It's great when they get well and can go home.